In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Instagram to your Facebook account. So first, you want to open up your Instagram account and you need to make sure that you are on professional account type. So to check that, you need to go to settings and privacy, and if you click here and I click on switch account type, I will see that I can only switch to personal or creator account. If I was like on a private account or personal, if I would click on edit here, I would see go to like a professional account. And once you are here, you see this page button that says connect or create. Basically from here, you need to connect it to your Facebook page. But before you do that, you need to have your Facebook already connected. So go back to settings and privacy, accounts censure, you can go to accounts and then add account, add Facebook account, and then just click continue and follow on-screen instructions. I mean, you can do the same thing I have just done over here, that's totally up to you, but that's the way to do it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video has helped you out, leave a like, subscribe and comment this video helped me. If it didn't, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you. Bye.